In today's fast-paced digital landscape, capturing your audience's attention is more crucial than ever, and animated whiteboard videos have emerged as a powerful tool in modern content creation. These engaging visuals not only simplify complex ideas, but also enhance retention, making them a favorite among educators, marketers, and content creators alike. In this video, we will explore how platforms like VideoScribe and Doodly can help you create stunning animated whiteboard videos with ease. Imagine being able to transform your ideas into captivating animations that draw viewers in and keep them engaged. Both VideoScribe and Doodly offer user-friendly interfaces that allow even beginners to produce professional-quality videos without any prior animation experience. This accessibility opens up a world of possibilities for storytelling, training, and marketing. As we dive deeper into the features of these tools, we'll discuss how animated whiteboard videos can significantly boost audience engagement and enhance learning experiences. Whether you're looking to explain a concept, promote a product, or share a story, these videos can make a lasting impact. So stick around as we uncover the secrets to creating your own animated whiteboard videos and elevate your content to new heights. Understanding VideoScribe. VideoScribe stands out as a leading tool for creating animated whiteboard videos, thanks to its user-friendly interface and a wealth of customizable templates. Even if you're new to video creation, you'll find that navigating the platform is intuitive, allowing you to focus on your content rather than getting bogged down by technical details. With a variety of pre-designed templates at your fingertips, you can easily kickstart your project and tailor it to fit your unique vision. One of the standout features of VideoScribe is its diverse range of animation styles and effects. From hand-drawn illustrations to dynamic transitions, these elements can significantly enhance your storytelling, making your message more engaging and memorable. The ability to incorporate various visual styles means you can adapt your videos to suit different audiences and purposes. VideoScribe is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a wide array of projects. Whether you're creating educational content to explain complex concepts, marketing videos to promote your brand, or personal projects to share your story, VideoScribe provides the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. With its powerful features and ease of use, VideoScribe is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create impactful animated whiteboard videos. Exploring Doodly. Doodly has emerged as a fantastic alternative for those looking to create animated whiteboard videos, especially for beginners. One of its standout features is the intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, which makes the video creation process incredibly accessible. You don't need any prior experience in animation or design. Simply select your elements and place them where you want them on the canvas. This ease of use allows anyone to start creating engaging content right away. Another major advantage of Doodly is its extensive library of doodle images and characters. With thousands of options at your disposal, you can easily find the perfect visuals to complement your message. This rich collection not only saves you time, but also enhances the creativity of your videos, allowing you to craft unique stories that resonate with your audience. Doodly's versatility is another reason it stands out. Whether you're creating explainer videos to clarify complex topics, presentations to wow your audience, or even marketing content to promote your brand, Doodly has the tools to meet your needs. Its flexibility makes it suitable for various content types, ensuring that you can effectively communicate your ideas in an engaging and visually appealing way. Comparing VideoScribe and Doodly. When it comes to choosing between VideoScribe and Doodly for creating animated whiteboard videos, understanding the key differences in pricing, features, and ease of use is essential. VideoScribe typically operates on a subscription model, which can be more expensive over time, while Doodly offers a one-time payment option, making it a more budget-friendly choice for those who prefer not to commit to ongoing fees. In terms of features, VideoScribe shines with its extensive library of customizable templates and a variety of animation styles, making it ideal for users who want a polished, professional look. On the other hand, Doodly's drag-and-drop functionality and vast library of doodle images and characters cater to beginners looking for simplicity and ease of use. Each tool has its strengths and weaknesses based on user needs. VideoScribe is excellent for those who prioritize high-quality animations and detailed storytelling, while Doodly is perfect for users who want to create quick, engaging content without a steep learning curve. Ultimately, the choice between VideoScribe and Doodly should be guided by your specific project requirements. Consider factors like your budget, the complexity of your content, and your level of experience to make the best decision for your animated video needs. Creating your first video. Creating your first animated whiteboard video can be an exciting journey, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Whether you choose VideoScribe or Doodly, the first thing you'll want to do is start a new project. In VideoScribe, simply click on the New Scribe button, while in Doodly, select Create New Video. This will open up a blank canvas where your creativity can take flight. Next, begin by adding elements to your canvas. Both platforms allow you to drag and drop images, characters, and text. Don't hesitate to experiment with different animations and voiceovers to see what resonates best with your message. This is your chance to play around and find the style that suits your project. As you work, remember to save your progress frequently. It's easy to get caught up in the creative flow, but saving often will prevent any potential loss of work. Once you've added all your elements, take a moment to preview your video. This will give you a chance to see how everything flows together before finalizing. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an engaging animated whiteboard video that captures your audience's attention. Tips for effective whiteboard videos. Creating engaging and effective animated whiteboard videos requires careful planning and execution. One of the most crucial elements is having a clear script and concise messaging. Before you start animating, take the time to outline your key points and ensure that your message is straightforward. This clarity will help keep your audience focused and make your content more impactful. In addition to a solid script, the visuals you choose play a significant role in maintaining viewer interest. Select images and animations that complement your narrative rather than distract from it. Using relevant visuals can help illustrate your points and make complex ideas easier to understand. Remember, the goal is to enhance the storytelling experience, so choose visuals that align with your message. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of audio. Incorporating background music and sound effects can significantly enhance the overall experience of your video. The right audio can set the tone, evoke emotions, and keep viewers engaged throughout. Just be sure that the music and sound effects don't overpower your voiceover. They should work harmoniously to create a cohesive and enjoyable viewing experience. By following these best practices, you'll be well on your way to producing captivating animated whiteboard videos that resonate with your audience. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the exciting world of animated whiteboard videos, focusing on two powerful tools, VideoScribe and Doodly. We discussed how VideoScribe offers a wealth of customizable templates and professional animation styles, making it ideal for polished storytelling. On the other hand, Doodly's user-friendly drag-and-drop functionality and extensive library of doodle images make it a fantastic choice for beginners looking to create engaging content quickly. Both platforms provide unique benefits that cater to different user needs. As you embark on your journey to create captivating animated videos, remember that practice and experimentation are key. The more you play around with the features and functionalities of these tools, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't hesitate to try new animations, voiceovers, and visual styles to find what works best for your projects. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing the amazing animated videos you create using VideoScribe and Doodly.